Alright, so today I wanted to show you guys, it's time for me to do my nails. These guys have popped off, broke off. It's been about 3 weeks. One of the nails I did differently because I saw that there's a new method that's been introduced called the Lazy Girl method. So this is it's a false nail tip. Actually, it's a whole nail, but I got these from Makartt. It's the big old bag of false nails. Good quality nails. I'm very happy with these. They come in a bag. Each size comes in a bag like this. I think there's 50 of them, if I'm not mistaken, for each nail. So what you do is, if I can pick it up, this is one of the false nails here. And these are stilettos. They fit my nail bed nicely, as you can see. It's a perfect fit. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So what I did was take like an orange stick. I don't have one of those, but I do have like a dull set of tweezers. They're not pokey, so I can use that. And then you take your cuticle oil and you put it under your nail. You work up one edge of it. Let's see if you guys can see. So you work under one edge. See how I have a little bit under there? And you just peel it up a little bit and put your cuticle oil in there under the nail. And then you wait. And it's supposed to go quicker. This is the first time I've done this, so it's supposed to go quicker than filing all your nails. So once you get it, see, you can see it started to lift now a little bit. Oops, I focused on the wrong thing here. So anyway, it's starting to lift a little bit there. There we go. See how it's coming up off the nail? This is a surprisingly well bond. I will probably use these now. It's just so much quicker. So once you have it kind of lifted a little bit like this, you want to go ahead with your cuticle remover and let it just seep in under there. And then you just wait. And it works, supposedly, on getting this off. So we're going to wait for that. While we're doing that, I'll show you I got something new. Also, from Morovan. Come on, camera. There we go. I got something new also from Morovan. These are the press-on nails with 12 sizes and 5 colors. 240 pieces on Amazon for $2.99. It was a good deal, so I thought I'd get it. It's real quick, easy. If they stay on as good as this one, I'm sold. And then you don't have to do the polishing unless you want to. And you can put your nail art on there as well. Get your rhinestones and your nail art. Let's open this baby up and see what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. Let's open. Let's see what we got. There we go. I'm guessing they're not in a case, so I'm trying to be careful. Alright, oh, it comes with glue. I probably won't be using that because I'm just going to want to use my builder gel. It's just so much easier. I feel like it bonds better, but you know, I haven't tried the glue from Morovan yet. Alright, here's what we've got. Oops. Great, one popped out. We'll look at that. So here it is. And look at the thickness there. Right? Pretty good. It's pretty soft, they're thin. What I did with this nail is I went under and put a little bit more builder gel underneath here to give it a little bit more strength. So it's definitely on there strong. Let's see how these do. Look at that. So pretty. My only concern would be they're flimsy, but the thinner they are, the better the bond, I've heard, to the nail. These fit perfectly. They cover the entire nail. And it's a nice, pretty spring colors. Beautiful pinks. I love my pink. I have a natural color as well. Really pretty. So, in a pinch, a quick little pinch. Oh, it came with a file and 2 bottles of glue there. We can take the top off and see what's in it. Oop, oop, oop. Oh, okay. There you have it. Okay, they're in there by sizes, not color. So they're grouped together in sizes. And then you just grab your color. This is pretty good for $3. Not bad. In a quick pinch, you need to do something quick, you're going out for a date, that would work well. Alright, so we're checking back on the false nail, not the polygel. This is just a false nail. I put this cuticle remover under there, and so far so good. It's coming off well. You can see I'm not rushing it because I don't want to hurt my nail bed. There it went. That's that. And it came off. Done. Just like that. All you have to do is wait a little bit and it comes off. Ta-da! Good deal.